how you can find hidden locked chats on your WhatsApp. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. So first open up your WhatsApp. Now to find your hidden locked chats, what you'll first need to do is create a locked chats. To do that, just select any text, just a swipe and tap on more. After you do that, there you will see locked chat. Tap on locked chat and now you will have locked this chat right here. You'll have to use your Face ID. Now there you will see locked chats right there. If you tap on it and use your Face ID, you will be able to see the chats that you have locked. Now to hide it, what you'll need to do is tap on settings right here and toggle this button on. Now you will need to create a secret code. So create one that you will remember. Now type in that code, tap on next and confirm that code. So after you've done that, if you go back, you will see that you have lost the locked chats option right there. Now to find that, what you need to do is you'll need to tap on search, and after you tap on search, you will need to type in the secret code. So if you type in the secret code, you will see the locked chats option right there. Tap on it and you have found that. Now what you'll need to do, if you want to unhide it, you can go to settings and toggle this button off. And if you want to remove the chat from the locked chat section, just tap on more and unlock the chat. And that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video too. If you like the video, just go down and leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.